We were sorrowful to discover that Alpine wouldn't offer any A110s in the United States, left as we are craving for the Blue Games Roadster from a far distance. Presently we can desire for it in different hues and variations. Snowcapped has reported that the A110 will now be accessible in 2 trim levels, in a little choice of hues, and with various wheelwrights. The 2 trim levels incorporate Pure, which doesn't accompany any uncommon additional items and is prepared likewise to the main keep running of 1955 Premier Edition models, and Legend.